What'd you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Honey, that's beautiful.
But I'd rather just stay here with you.
I know. Come here.
I'm gonna go up this way.
Okay. Be careful.
You always say that.
See you in a minute.
You're coming with me to Grandpa's, Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.
Far away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons?
Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets! All that steam has gone to your funnel.